Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to delete your Threads account. So first of all, you click on the Threads app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you click on the last icon, which is your profile icon. And then at the top, you click on the two dashes, which is just by the right of the Instagram icon. After clicking on this, you click on account, which is the third to the last option here. And then here you click on the third option that says deactivate or delete profile. And then you can either choose to deactivate or delete your profile. After making your decision, you click on the icon. You can choose any option below, deactivate profile or delete profile. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.